It is not hard to understand that when we look at the Sacred Heart of Jesus, we think about love. For the heart is the symbol of love. But not any kind of love, but a love that comes from the Lord. A love that comes from God. A love that is offered for each and every one of us. Kapag pinag-usapan po ang pag-ibig, marami tayong pwedeng sabihin, lalo na't kung ang pag-ibig mula sa kamahal-mahalang puso ni Jesus. But just by looking at the Sacred Heart of Jesus, we understand that this love is a love that knows sacrifice. This love knows pain. This heart is wounded. This heart is blooded. This heart is scarred. And yet, continues to love. Yan po ang isang mahalagang katangian ng pag-ibig ng kamahal-mahalang puso ni Jesus. Hindi marunong sumuko. The love of the Sacred Heart perseveres. The love of the Sacred Heart endures. It is committed until the end. It is true no matter what. The love of the Sacred Heart of Jesus endures forever. Kahit na anong hirap ang pinagdaanan nitong puso ni Jesus, hindi umayaw, hindi sumuko, hindi huminto sa pagmamahal at pag-aalay ng sarili para sa iyo at para sa akin. That even the humility of the Incarnation, the humility of Bethlehem, Jesus continues to love. Even in the face of the rejection of the scribes and Pharisees, makailang beses yang pinagsalitaan ng masama ng mga iskriba at pariseyo. Pinagsabihan pa ngang galing sa demonyo ang kanyang kapangyarihan. Even in the face of the rejection of the scribes and Pharisees, Jesus continued to love. Even in the face of the betrayal of His disciples, sarili niya ng mga alagad, sarili niya ng mga kaibigan, close sa Kanya, tinatwa pa siya. Iniwan siya nang siya'y hinuli na sa hardin ng Getsemani at parurusahan na. Anong sabi? Nagtatakbo ang kanyang mga alagad. Even in the face of the betrayal of His disciples, Jesus continued to love. Even in the tragedy of Calvary, the tragedy of crucifixion, what we heard in the gospel today, Jesus continued to love. Even in the morbidity of death, Jesus continued to love. The Sacred Heart remains. The Sacred Heart persevered. The Sacred Heart endured. The Sacred Heart committed until the end. At ito po ang pag-ibig na tinatanggap natin. Hindi marunong sumuko sa harap man ng anong pagsubok o hirap. Pag-ibig na tinatanggap, yan din po dapat ang pag-ibig na ibinibigay. Pag-ibig na tinatanggap ng Kristiyano mula kay Jesus, Hindi ba't dapat yan din ang pag-ibig na ibinabahagi ng bawat Kristiyano sa mga taong nakapaligid sa Kanya? A love that perseveres, a love that endures, a love that is committed no matter what. Isang pag-ibig na hindi marunong sumuko dahil hindi tayo sinusukuan ng Diyos. Amen.